Hello there, welcome to DNA Dates YouTube channel. Today's topic is ligases, under which why cohesive ends ligation are efficient over blunt ends. The ligation of complementary cohesive ends is much more efficient because cohesive ends can base pair with one another by hydrogen bonding, forming relatively stable structure for enzyme to work on and form a phosphodiester bond between them. When it comes to the blunt ends, the ligase is unable to catch hold of the blunt end molecules to be ligated and has to wait for a chance of association to bring ends together. When it is possible, blunt end ligation can be successful by increasing the concentration of insert molecule to increase the chance of association. The same thing I will explain in the next slide with the help of diagram. You see, the cohesive ends uh, produced by the digestion of DNA with the E-CoRN enzyme, and blunt ends are produced by the SMA1 enzyme, right? When you mix these cohesive ends for ligation and blunt ends for ligation, right? Then the complementary cohesive ends of two different molecules, when they come together, hydrogen bond is formed between them, between the cohesive ends. Because of formation of this hydrogen bond, the structure becomes stable. The structure becomes stable, on which ligase act and forms the ligase act on the stable structure and establish the phosphodiester bond. Phosphodiester bond. When it comes to the blunt ends, their digestion is symmetry. There is no cohesive ends, all is blunt. So the ligation is all depends on the chance of association. For example, they are like this. But because of chance of association, when they come together, the ligase has to establish the phosphodiester bond, right? And the chance of association is very unstable, and formation of phosphodiester bond between this blunt ends becomes very tough. You see the same thing, right? So ligation happens very poorly in between the blunt ends when compared with the cohesive ends. Hope you all understand the concept of cohesive ligation and blunt ligation, why they are efficient, why they are not efficient. Thank you all for listening. If at all you like it, just subscribe the channel for more updates.